We're back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Last firm returns video, smash that like button, tell me to watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Sensonics Holdings Inc. And this stock has been pulling downwards, and a lot of people are anticipating the FDA approval. They have already received certain steps towards it, but a lot of people are anticipating the announcement that is bound to come. Now, it has been going downwards for some time, but we're going to break down what's going on with it, what opportunities are showing here on the charts on 42 Vision, Ultimate 42 Vision, and 42 Vision 2.0. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Every single opportunity turned out to be a home run. They cannot be overlooked. They were spectacular and beyond expectations, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. And we're going to jump right into it here with Sensonics Holdings Inc. SENS. So the home runs of the day were spectacular, and every single stock we mentioned this morning turned out to be a home run. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one gave us 20% plus. Let's go ahead and look at these charts together. SGBX, I mentioned it in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It hit extreme weakness here on 42 Vision. We got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, the upgrade coming soon, and it took off to a highest point of 25% plus. Now we have here ACET. We caught this one in the pre-market when it was consolidated, and then it started pulling downwards after the bell. It started to take off. It gave nearly 20% plus in the first run, pulled back down, and took off for another 10 to 15% plus, giving it a highest point from the dip to the rip of nearly 35% plus, but reaching a 30% plus opportunity from those bottoms. But at the peak, it was nearly 35% plus, guys. Now, this was the home run of the day that was spectacular and way beyond expectations. And this had a lot of volatility in the first couple of hours of the day. Now, I did give jumps of 10 to 20% within those time frames, but the 5-minute on 42 Vision 2.0 was showing clear strength, and Ultimate 42 Vision with that bull indicator and no bear indicators popping up was confirming that there was more strength to be seen if inflow and volume picked up, and it certainly did. We caught this one in the pre-market as it pulled downwards in that consolidation period, 10 to 20% jumps, but it hit a highest point once volume started to pick up of 120% plus, guys. If you want to gain access to these opportunities and gain on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS, and SENS Sensonics Holdings Inc. has actually reversed from a huge dip in the morning. It was sitting in a location, as I stated on Friday, that was looking pretty exciting because every single time the extreme weakness pops up, there's a reversal. Some are weaker than others, some are stronger than others. Like you can see right there, the reversal. Same thing right here, the reversal. This one, it was weak. This one's a little bit stronger, weak, stronger, okay? So where is it really going? Well, we got to look at it from the bigger picture, but on the 30-minute, based off of 42 Vision 2.0, you guys will see here that there is still some weakness here, even with Ultimate 42 Vision, but it is under a bull indicator, okay, guys? I want you guys to know that you have access to these resources and tools as well. Check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. You will gain access to 42 Vision 2.0, and also you will be upgraded once the bull and bear indicators, which is Ultimate 42 Vision, is released. It's releasing really soon, and you gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list of the home runs that we look for and strive for every single day and every single week, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together to maximize with clarity in the charts with 42 Vision, with the clarity they deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility, no matter what the stock market throws at us, right? So let's go ahead and see here, right? We got a bull indicator here on the 30-minute. We also have 42 Vision 2.0 showing here this shift. And then we have here the last thing was a bear indicator and weakness for the last 2 days. Okay, that's the 30-minute. But we need to look at the 4-hour. I think the 4-hour is just as important and just as significant. And this is what I stated in the last video as well. That was looking pretty exciting, but we can't get too excited yet, right? We had it here, and look what happened right after. That's what we're starting to see here. So the question is, could it hold up, or is it going to go right back to a red bar, or is it going to continue red bars with green borders and go up towards dark green and then hit green and have some strength and get out of this downtrend here with 42 Vision 2.0 that has been happening and actually reverse it? Okay, that's a key thing as well. But if not, this could be another fake out. We saw one here, we saw one here, we also had one right here. Okay, it's tried 3 times in this downtrend, and right now it's trying again. Now this one's a little bit significant because it bounced from 242, the most recent lows, all the way back up towards 270s, and it is pushing nearly a 10 to 50% move in the day so far. Now, we are in a downtrend with the 4-hour. We are under a bear indicator, and this shift happened way up here on 42 Vision 2.0. So it's been pretty clear. This has been an extreme weakness through the volatility of the markets. Like if we pull back up 42 Vision and I draw how volatile things have been, this is actually showing us, right, the whole entire clarity of the direction through the ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. That's how powerful it is to remove the volatility, and one can focus on what really matters, right? To maximize on these opportunities. When I put the 1 day though, same thing. We are under a bear indicator and extreme weakness. Now, the last time this popped up, look what happened. We got some consolidation, some fighting here way back in May, April. It hit lows of 160 and it took off to 457. Could it play out to be the same? We'll have to see. This hasn't found a bottom just yet. It just recently touched a new bottom. It's trying to fight away from it, but this has been consecutively for several days. We got the bear indicator and also 42 Vision 2.0, that full shift into red. We really need to see this kind of level off like this and trying to transition back into green somewhere in the near future to start bringing this back up and see if the bulls can gain traction again before the bears and shorts continue to put pressure until the FDA approval that everyone is waiting for and is excited for. I think that's one of the most important things right now to be aware of, and one of the biggest catalysts for this stock to grow. Now, SENS and Sensonics Holdings Inc. is doing some great things, but just based off technicals here on the 30-minute, it's already losing momentum, and we need to watch this carefully. The support level here really is the lowest point that we saw today, which was 242. If that gets broken through, this could go into further weakness. If it bounces off of it, it can show some strength or stay above it. And today's high was 277, but that's not as significant as breaking through 290 and getting back up here to the 3s, 321, and continue to push up higher to new resistance levels and newer levels upwards with pressure to create a squeeze, because there is some really high days to cover on this and short interest is pretty high. If those two come and collide together, plus momentum upwards and trap some shorts, a squeeze could be in the plays of this opportunity beyond just that catalyst of the FDA approval. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. If you want to receive clarity in the charts like no other, to be able to see the dips and the rips and remove the guessing and focus in on what really matters, check out the link down below in the description to 42 Vision indicator. You'll receive access to 42 Vision, 42 Vision 2.0, and also Ultimate 42 Vision, which is the bull and bear indicators, once they release, so you guys can get your spot reserved before the prices go up. And you'll have all 3 premium indicators: the daily watch list we look for every single day, the weekly watch list, and also a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.